Imagine getting paid every single day instead of waiting for a monthly salary. Sounds crazy, right? But these 5 online jobs actually pay you daily. Hi, everyone. If you're tired of waiting for monthly salary, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 5 online jobs that pay daily, and you can start even as a beginner. Job 1, freelance gigs. You can earn daily by offering small services like writing, logo design, or data entry on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Once you complete a gig, you get paid immediately or within a few days. Job 2, content writing. If you can write simple English, you can earn daily by writing blogs, captions, or product descriptions. Many clients pay per article, so you can earn money every day. Job 3, transcription jobs. Convert audio into text. That's it. Websites like Rev pay you for typing what you hear. This is perfect if you're a fast typer. Job 4, website and app testing. You can get paid to test websites and apps. Platforms like User Testing pay you to give feedback. Each test takes 10 to 20 minutes and pays instantly or within 24 hours. Job 5, selling digital products. Create once and sell daily. You can sell templates, ebooks, or designs on platforms like Etsy. Every time someone buys, you earn money even while sleeping. You can easily start earning 500 to 2,000 rupees per day as a beginner, and much more as you gain experience. If you want to start earning daily income online, pick one job from this list and start today. Like this video, subscribe, and comment daily income if you want more videos like this.